Welcome to LoneStar PETS 2021 Virtual Edition. My name is Past District Governor Ian Sullivan. I'm currently the chairman of the board of LoneStar PETS, but more importantly for this video, I'm also the guy that developed the mobile app that will help you throughout this week in your training at LoneStar PETS. So my job is to explain how to get that app if you don't already have it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to download it either from the App Store or whatever the Android equivalent of the App Store is. And what you need to do is you need to search for uSummit. That's lowercase u, capital SUMMIT. Now, for some reason, it usually seems to be the second item on the list, but you can recognize it by the logo, which I'm showing you now. Now, install that app. And once it installs, it's going to come up, it's going to ask you for some permissions. The first thing is that you would like to use Bluetooth. Well, we're not using that functionality of the app, so it really doesn't matter, but you can just say allow because it's not going to change anything. The second is notifications. We would like for you to allow it to send you notifications. So if there's any changes throughout the week that you need to know about, we'll be able to get you that information as quickly as possible. So say allow notifications. Then you'll sign in with the email address that you use to sign up with LoneStar PETS. Then once you have entered the email address, it's going to ask you for a password. And you got to choose a password. It's got to be 8 characters with 1 number, 1 symbol, and a combination of upper and lowercase, just like every other password that you've got to deal with. Then it's time for the event code. The event code is 804669, which I'm showing on the screen now. You enter that, and then this is kind of what you're going to see. This is once you enter that event code, this is the screen that you will see. Now, I encourage you to just take a look around. You're not going to hurt anything. Just look at every different function. You can get the bios of all the speakers that will be available during the week. You have a complete schedule of all activities. You have the ability to create your own schedule, based by selecting the items that are on the master schedule. And then what's really important for us is at LoneStar PETS, we take great pride in using evaluations to make next year's PETS even better. So there are 2 types of evaluations. There's one that is a course evaluation, and that is specific to an individual course or individual module. And what we would like for you to do is on every time you take one of these courses, we'd like for you to do an evaluation. Now, if there are multiple facilitators, you can submit multiple evaluations. So, and there is a separate evaluation for each segment or each topic. And then there's a daily. The daily is more of a general topic. So in that one, you would do 1 per day. But we would really appreciate your help in filling out these evaluations because we will use that information to make next year's PETS even better. Now, we hope next year's PETS will be in person. We assume that it will. But still, your insight to make Rotary and your successors better prepared is important for all of us. Now, if you have any trouble at all with the app, don't hesitate to get in touch with me. My email address is ian@cinco.net, or you can call my cell phone, 214-552-1010. 1509. Now, I can warn you, I do have the function on my cell phone that it does not ring if it's not somebody that's already in my contact list. So if you need to get a hold of me, it's probably better to text me and tell me to call you back. But I'm happy to help. Enjoy your time at LoneStar Pets and be the best president that you can be. Rotary depends on you. Thank you and good day.